Indian Premium League IPL 2025 Rajasthan Royals Best and Probable Squad. Number 1 Sanju Samson. Number 2 SSV Jaiswal. Number 3 Just Butler. Number 4 Ravichandran Ashwin. Number 5 Eden Markram. Number 6 Tom Colher Codmare. Number 7 Will Jakes. Number 8 Trent Bolt. Number 9 Simran Hetmeyer. Number 10 Sandeep Sharma. Number 11 Yuzvendra Chahal. Number 12 Donovan Ferreira. Number 13 Rian Parag. Number 14 Mohammad Sami. Number 15 David Willey. Number 16 Aston Turner. Number 17 Dhruv Jurel. Number 18 Jason Holder. Number 19 Navdeep Saini. Number 20 Josh Hazelwood. Number 21 Adam Jampa. Number 22 Sikandar Raja. Number 23 Nandri Burger. Number 24 Avish Khan. Number 25 Rubman Powell. Friends, who is your best and favorite player in this squad? Please comment on comment section. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.